Pump. An overview.
झारखंड एक पहाड़ी राज्य है और यहाँ पे ये छोटनागपुर प्लेटो पे बसा हुआ है। यहाँ पे बहुत पहाड़ी नदी नाले हैं जिसमें पानी बह बह के बर्बाद होता है। अभी भी झारखंड में बहुत ऐसे छोटे छोटे गांव इन नदी नालों के किनारे बसे हुए हैं जहाँ पे लोग को पीने का पानी का कोई सुविधा नहीं है। अभी भी लोग ये बर्तन में पानी नाले से भर के ऊपर अपने गांव में अपने घर के ज़रूरत के लिए लेकर जाते हैं। और जो नदी नालों के किनारे में जो खेत बाड़ी है उनका भी सिंचाई नहीं हो पाता है और हर जगह बिजली का सुविधा भी नहीं है और डीजल पेट्रोल महंगा होता है। यदि पंप है तो डीजल पेट्रोल में खर्च बहुत होता है। तो एक प्रकृति जल ऊर्जा पंप है जो जैसा नाम है कि वो जल ऊर्जा से चलता है।
Prakriti Biotech Farm, Hazaribagh, has come with a solution to overcome these challenges by innovating Prakriti Jal Urja Pump, which is based on very old water hammer technology and runs with hydraulic power to provide domestic water supply, irrigation adjoining Pahadi nalas and rivers in remote off-grid areas. The requirements are enough overflowing or runoff water and enough fall. It finds ideal application in locations like natural springs, permanent and temporary check dams and small waterfalls.
ये पंप 24 घंटा चलता है बिना बिजली के, बिना डीजल के, पेट्रोल के लगातार।
With a continuous flow of water, a Prakriti Jal Urja pump allows the user to transport water to a higher elevation using only the energy stored in the water reservoir or water falling from the waterfall. It utilizes the physical phenomenon of the water hammer, initiated by the rapid closure of an impulse valve. 10 Prakriti Jal Urja pumps have been installed in 3 places in Jharkhand. The irrigation project based on 4 Prakriti Jal Urja pumps at Itkori Mor, Hazaribagh, under the Mukhyamantri Kisan Khushhali Yojana. The domestic water supply project in a remote off-grid area based on 2 Prakriti Jal Urja pumps at Koti Jharna, Hazaribagh. The Prakriti Jal Urja pump system. The Prakriti Jal Urja pump system consists of a water intake or sedimentation tank, drive pipe with certain slope, reinforced concrete foundation for installing the machine, security cage for the pump, flood protection bund if necessary, delivery pipe, water storage tank, and water distribution system. The future course of action. The identification of small waterfalls and check dams having falls of more than 6 feet. Exploiting these small waterfalls and check dams by Prakriti Jal Urja pumps for domestic water supply and irrigation. The use of more numbers of Prakriti Jal Urja pumps in tandem, as well as the use of larger sizes of Prakriti Jal Urja pumps, 4 inches, 6 inches or 8 inches, to increase more water. Saving in fuel. The discharge capacity of the 2 inches by 1 inch Prakriti Jal Urja pump is 13,000 to 26,000 litres in 24 hours. On a 4-pump ensemble, it can generate savings of approximately 95,000 rupees per year. By installing one 2-inch by 1-inch Prakriti Jal Urja pump, the greenhouse gas reduction can be an equivalent to CO2 produced from burning 785 litres of kerosene oil per year. The benefits accrued by farmers are many. They don't have to buy diesel or petrol or kerosene oil to run the pump. It helps them to improve their economic condition and empowers women. Finally, it contributes to the reduction in global warming with zero greenhouse gas emission, which leads to sustainable development of a region. The Prakriti Jal project is the recipient of JSW, the Times of India Earth Care Award for 2010.